I'm Hannah Arnakila, and I'll give you one of the example of natural phenomenon. A rainbow. A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. Rainbow caused by sunlight always appear in the section of the sky directly opposite the sun. The appearance of a rainbow depends on where you're standing and where the sun is shining. The sun or other source of light is usually behind the person seeing the rainbow. In fact, the middle of our primary rainbow is the anti-solar point, the imaginary point exactly opposite the sun. What is interesting fact about rainbow? You can never get to the end of a rainbow because the rainbow is based on the orientation of the observer, you, and the light source, the sun. When you move, the rainbow will move too.
Hello everyone, I'm Rovik Jibimyu and I am here to explain one of the natural phenomenon. A tsunami. Tsunami is a series of extremely long waves caused by a sudden displacement of the ocean. Initiation, split, amplification, and runoffs. During initiation, a large set of ocean waves are caused by any large and sudden disturbance of the sea surface. Most commonly earthquakes, but sometimes can also be underwater landslides.
Hello everyone, I am Joshua Murdeno from MMWE for the natural phenomenon. The natural phenomenon I choose is rain or precipitation. It is the most important meteorological phenomenon for the continuation of life on Earth is rain. Without it, there would be no lakes, rivers, oceans, or access to clean water. The water cycle illustrates the constant movement of water inside the earth and atmosphere. It is a complicated system with a wide range of processes. Rain is easily stated that has obvious pattern that mentions the importance of water.
Hello, on Future in Melissa, I'm going to talk about aurora borealis or northern lights. This is the meaning of the northern light or the aurora borealis. The aurora begins on the sky. A powerful emission of plasma offers its thrust towards the earth. The earth has two poles, like a magnet. Corresponding lines of flux let the plasma move toward the earth goes around the sky. This causes a glow as the plasma passes through the atmosphere. This is why we can see an aurora.
Hi everyone, I'm Ailamiti Pahe, and for today's video, I'm going to show you one of the natural phenomena, which is tornado. According to www.britannica.com, tornado is a diurnal pattern because they are most frequent to occur from mid-afternoon to early evening, because by that time, the sun has sufficiently warmed the atmosphere and the earth to cause thunderstorms. Tornadoes form when warm, humid air collides with cold, dry air. The denser cold air is pushed over the warm air, usually producing thunderstorms.
Hi everyone, I am Mike Jason Munil, one of the members of Group 5, and I am going to tackle one natural phenomena and its patterns in nature.
So, what is patterns in nature? Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can be sometimes be modeled mathematically. Nature patterns include spirals, fractals, symmetries, meanders, waves, foams, tessellations, cracks, and stripes. What is a natural phenomena? Natural phenomena are those that occur or manifest without the help of human. Let's say, for example, earthquakes, moons, sun, planets, and many more. So now I am going to discuss what is spiral, which is also called as a Fibonacci sequence. It is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and series of circular shapes that revolve around it. An example of a natural phenomena that a spiral pattern or a Fibonacci sequence is observed is a tropical cyclone. So what is a tropical cyclone? A tropical cyclone is a rapidly rotating storm system characterized by a low pressure center, a close low-level atmospheric circulation, strong winds, and a spiral arrangement of thunderstorms that produce heavy rain and squalls. And as you can see in the video, this is why spiral pattern is observed during a tropical cyclone.
So that includes all my part. Once again, I am Mike Jason Bonil, and I hope you have learned something. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Charlotte C. Obenza from MMW Section E4. The polar night is a phenomenon where the nighttime lasts for more than 24 hours that occurs in the northernmost and southernmost regions of the Earth. Each year, there is a time where the sun does not appear above the horizon in the winter. There may be elements of twilight, but the sun is not seen. The Arctic and the southern counterpoint, the Antarctic Circle, are defined by the fact that they experience polar nights. Due to our planet's tilt, there will be a time between September to March where part of the Earth completely blacks out the sun from these polar places. When multiple weeks don't have the sunrise, it can be tricky to count the days. So instead of measuring how many hours it was dark, polar nights are counted in daily increments. For example, in Sweden's northernmost town, Corona, their polar nights last for around 28 to 24 hours period. Polar nights occur when the sun never rises, but the midnight sun, or a polar day, is when the sun remains above the horizon, bringing 24 hours of daylight. Therefore, if polar nights take place from September to March, the midnight sun comes out from the April to August. Due to Earth's polar axis, the North and South Pole are more obstructed from the sun than places further south. That means that the closer you get to the North Pole, you will experience the most polar nights. At the North Pole, the polar nights begins with the sunsets at the autumn equinox in September, and the sun won't appear again until the spring equinox in March, having had 6 months of darkness. Yet, for the next 6 months, the sun will now set.